Get excited about the 2016 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.